After years of chaos, the house fell silent and we began to listen again. In the reflection, she meets a woman she once was, the one who never stopped trying. The mornings used to start with noise. Now, silence is all some kind of music. Some rituals survive everything, even distance, even change. There is tenderness in repetition, in the small acts that no one sees. The smell of butter fills what we now call home. We have nothing, yet here we are, making everything again. One breakfast done, one more to go. Just one pan, but two hearts learning again. Once 5 plates filled this table. Now there are 2, and time to notice each other again. Love isn't loud anymore. It lingers in the quiet moments between bites. And so it ends where it began. A quiet morning, a cup of coffee, and the promise of another day together. Because sometimes love is not starting over, it's starting again.